The first thing that you want to do when using Kaizrna as a teacher is to go to your Google Drive. You can then find all the documents and shared with me that your students have shared with you and are ready for feedback. Usually, you would just open up the Google Drive as normal and type in your comments. However, here, once you've used Kaizrna before and you've logged in with your password, you can open the document with Kaizrna. The document will load, and here on the left you can see that the feedback receiver will be your student and the reviewer will be you as a teacher. Now I'm using my two Google Doc accounts to show you this example, which is why they both say Megan in this. Once your example is loaded, you will see that your student's document is up. Now, here is one of my students' personal narratives from earlier in this year. If I want to give this student feedback, all I need to do is highlight the text in which I wanted to give feedback, and I have a few options. I can do an audio recording, I can type a regular comment, or I can add a link. So here I want to start with a voice recording. All you need to do is press record and type in your comment. Mariana, I loved how you started here with dialogue. It really opens up your paper in an engaging way. So once you have added the comment, it will be highlighted for you. Your student will see, as you saw on the previous screencast, your student sees the same type of highlighting. Now, as you scroll down, you can find another place where you want to add another comment. This time I'm going to add a regular comment as I want to switch it up a little bit. And here she has another written comment. You can change the colors of these comments so that students know the difference between an audio comment and a regular comment. Once it's loaded, so then I wanted to do the last thing, I wanted to add a link. So I could highlight anywhere in the paper again. And this time I want to add a link. Now I want to call this the personal narrative template. Now here I have a link for personal narratives. I'll copy this link and put it back in the student exemplar. And at this point, when Mariana looks at this link, she can click it and read some more information about her personal narrative. Now, I can also use this PN template to link into any other student's work that I wanted to. This saves time for the teacher and allows the teacher to share resources with a multitude of different students. Now, once all of these comments are added, you have the ability to share it with a student. So I'm just going to let these upload for 1 minute. Once all your comments have been completed, you can now post this link in the Google Docs. So my link to my feedback was added to her Google Doc, and when my student opens this Google Doc, she will be able to open up her work in the application and make the changes that you've seen here. So I click done, and she's all set. And that is how you use the different types of feedback in this application called Kaizrna.